Most people fail at fixing septic odor for one specific reason. They treat the symptom, not the cause. They pour bleach, use air fresheners, and hope for the best. But the smell keeps coming back every single time. If your yard stinks, your drains are slow, or you are too embarrassed to have guests over, this video is for you. Today, we break down exactly why the problem keeps coming back. Then we reveal the natural solution that thousands of homeowners are using right now to fix it permanently and affordably. Here's the hard truth. Septic odor is not just unpleasant, it is a serious warning sign. Foul smells mean harmful bacteria are dying off inside your tank. When that balance collapses, solids build up fast, drains slow down, and eventually you get backups that cost $300 to $10,000 to repair. Most commercial treatments use harsh chemicals that actually kill the good bacteria your system depends on. That makes the problem worse over time, not better. The cycle never ends unless you break it at the source, and most homeowners never figure that out. The solution is restoring the natural bacterial balance inside your septic tank using eco-friendly treatment. Smart Fix Home has researched and identified the top products that dissolve blockages, eliminate odors, and support long-term septic health without toxic chemicals. These solutions work by flooding your tank with billions of beneficial microorganisms each month. They digest waste, neutralize sulfur compounds that cause odors, and keep your system flowing smoothly. Simple, monthly, effective. They can also reduce how often you need to pump, saving you hundreds of dollars every year. This is not a temporary fix, this is a permanent system reset. The first product category Smart Fix Home recommends is the best overall septic tank treatment tablets. These are the gold standard for most homeowners in 2026. Each tablet dissolves slowly, releasing a concentrated burst of aerobic bacteria and enzymes directly into your tank. They keep your septic system clean, odor-free, and flowing smoothly with simple monthly use. No mixing, no mess. Just drop one tablet in and let it work. Results build over time as the bacterial colonies grow stronger each month. For homeowners who want reliable, consistent results without complicated routines, this is the category to start with today. If your septic odor is already out of control, you need the fast odor relief and backup prevention solution. This targeted formula quickly neutralizes foul septic odors and helps prevent the messy, expensive backups that homeowners dread. Think of it as emergency response for your septic system. It works fast because it contains higher concentrations of odor-neutralizing bacteria that attack hydrogen sulfide, the gas responsible for that rotten egg smell. If guests are noticing the odor or rooms are becoming unusable, do not wait. This is your immediate first step before the problem escalates into a $1,000 plus repair bill. For homeowners who want to stop paying for constant pump outs, the long-term septic protection money-saving pack is the smartest investment you can make. This multi-month supply gives you consistent bacterial reinforcement every single month. Over time, the bacterial colonies in your tank become self-sustaining. Solid waste breaks down faster, odors stay gone, and you dramatically reduce the frequency of expensive professional pump outs. One real user reported avoiding a $500 repair bill simply by staying consistent with monthly tablets for a full year. That is the power of treating the cause, not just covering up the symptoms month after month. The eco-friendly treatment options category is ideal if you care about your yard, your groundwater, and the environment around your home. These treatments use only natural bacterial strains and biodegradable compounds. No phosphates, no bleach, no synthetic chemicals. They are safe for all septic system types, including older tanks and drain fields. Beyond fixing odors, eco-friendly treatments actively protect the soil and water tables surrounding your property. Smart Fix Home curates only treatments verified to be environmentally responsible. You fix your septic issues completely without creating new hazards for your family, your neighbors, or your land. Clean system, clean conscience. Here is what makes these solutions credible. Over 21,374 septic tank owners across the United States have already experienced real, lasting results. These are real people who were dealing with unbearable stench, failing systems, and repair bills they could not afford. One homeowner shared that before using monthly tablets, the smell was so bad his grandchildren refused to visit. Within weeks of consistent treatment, the odor was completely gone and the system was running normally again. SmartFix Home only recommends solutions backed by real documented results and independently verified eco-safety standards. This is not marketing. This is proven transformation happening in homes just like yours. You now know exactly why most people fail to fix septic odor and exactly what to do instead. Stop masking the smell and start treating the real cause. Whether you need fast odor relief, long-term protection, or an eco-friendly monthly plan, SmartFix Home has the right solution, reviewed and ready for you. Do not wait for a $10,000 emergency to force your hand. Go to go.smartfixhome.com right now. The full link is in the description below. Click it, pick the solution that fits your situation, and get started today. Your home, your family, and your wallet will all thank you.